Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to fold this origami bunny. For this model, I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and we'll be starting with the cross crease. Now turn the paper and create a plus crease. Now collapse the paper into water bomb base. Bring the tip to this point and make a new crease. Repeat the same thing for all the four sides. Now bring this tip to the center point. To find out the center point, you can fold like this and make a small point. Then bring this tip to the center point. Do the same thing on the other side. Now open this flap and fold towards outside and make a crease. Open it and fold into half. Repeat the same thing for the other side. Now tuck in this triangle inside the pocket as shown. Lift this flap and fold the bottom flap as shown. Do the same thing for the other side too. Now apply a little bit glue over here and press. Turn the model and fold the flaps diagonally to create the ears of the rabbit. Now the origami bunny is almost ready. You have to blow this point to inflate it. After inflating, it will look like this. To give the neat finish, you can use a toothpick as shown. Draw the details using a sketch pen. Your origami bunny is ready. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.